welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Ipsy bag. I just filmed this makeup look that I have on. If you guys are curious about it, it will be up probably, I don't know if it will be before or after this video, but it will be up around the time of this video, within like a day or two, either before or after. Check it out if you want to see how I got this Christmas inspired makeup look. But right now, we're going to see what I got in my Ipsy bag. Alright, so this is the bag. It's like so sparkly. I love it. It's super cute. And that's everything in there. Sometimes there's stuff like hiding in there. First is Be Merry, Be Bright, Be Bold, Be You. That's cute. See Brush. That is exciting. So it's by Farah. And it's a 35E brush. This brush is so pretty. I cannot wait to use this brush. So that is the first thing. The next thing is a glitter flip by Ciate Linden. And it's called Infamous. This is a pretty color. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I will definitely use that. I might put that on top of what I have on now. Next is this Dip Pot by Larizzi Cosmetics. And it's in Fine Illuminator. Ooh, that is pretty. It's so pink. Really creamy. I'm destroying it with my finger right now. But it's that real shiny pink color. It's so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that super well, but it's like, I'm guessing a highlight. Next is a Steve Laurent loose powder. And so cute. And it's in Antique Olive. I don't know if you guys can see that color, but it's like a loose gold powder color. I am not going to open it. I always make a huge mess, but it's a very pretty like shiny gold. Next is a Kiss and Smink. The Everything is what the top says. And it's in Tulum. It's like super pink. Do you see that? That is so pink. Holy crepes. This matches that eyeshadow color in the Carly Bible palette. They could be twins. And then the last thing in here is from Hey Honey. It says Relax, and it's Propolis and Honey Smoothing Moisturizer. Oh, Soothing. And Honey Soothing Moisturizer. Calms redness and upset skin. So that is that. It has a seal on it, which is good. So I got a pretty good amount of stuff in this bag. This is everything. So 6 things. I think that is the most stuff that's the most stuff I've ever gotten in an Ipsy bag. So, and it's all like really pretty and like glamorous, just like Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this video for you. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox all these new products from Ipsy for you guys. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday season. And I hope Christmas is just super awesome for you guys. You'll have to let me know in the comments below how your Christmas goes. So thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!